10 lakhs ನೀವು ಕೇಳ್ಬಿಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಬೇಸಿಸ್ ಬೇಡವಾ? ಸುಮ್ನೆ ಒಂದು 10 ಲಕ್ಷ ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡಿದ್ರೆ ಯಾರು ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ? ಮೇಕ್ ಔಟ್ ಯುವರ್ ಬೇಸಿಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ಮೇಕ್ ಎನ್ ಅಪ್ರೋಪ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಕ್ಲೈಮ್. ಮಧ್ಯಾಹ್ನ ಕೇಳಿ ಅವ್ರು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮುಗಿಸೋಣ. ಇನ್ನೂ ಅಡ್ಮಿಷನ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ, 8 ವರ್ಷ ಆಯ್ತು, ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರ್ ಹಂಗೆ ಪೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಇದೆ. ಟೇಕಿಂಗ್ ನೋಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ದಟ್ ದರ್ ಇಸ್ ಎ ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕಲ್ ಸ್ನ್ಯಾಗ್ ಇನ್ ಯುವರ್ ಫ್ರೇಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಸೂಟ್. Appropriate figure on the so that they should be jumping to conclude the matter without there being further intervention of the court. Right? ನೀವು ಏನ್ ಕೊಡಕ್ ಸಿದ್ಧವಾಗಿದ್ದೀರಿ?
directly put a watch on the line. In fact, I was also an employee.
All right, you have a conference call made now, just now outside. Have a final figure. ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಇವಾಗ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಮುಗಿಸ್ಬಿಡಿ, ಮಧ್ಯಾಹ್ನಕ್ಕೆ ಮುಗಿಸೋಣ. That's why I said you have a conference call. He may not have direct access to the your board or the managing director or whomsoever. So he will call you. You will also join the conference call so that your higher ups can be contacted. His client can also join. ಒಂದೂವರೆನಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿ, ಊಟದ ಸಮಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿ, ಮಧ್ಯಾಹ್ನ ಹೇಳಿ. ಇದು ಹಿಂಗೆ ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಹಂಗೆ ಬಿಟ್ಟೋಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ, ಏನು ಉಪಯೋಗ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಇವತ್ತೊಂದು ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಮಾಡಿ, ಆಗ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮಧ್ಯಾಹ್ನ ಟೈಮ್ ಡೇಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಒಂದ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡಿ, ಇದೆಲ್ಲಾನು ಮುಗಿಬೇಕಿದೆಲ್ಲಾನು. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಮೇಕ್ ಎ ಕಾನ್ಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಕಾಲ್. ನೋ, ಯುಟಿಲೈಸ್ ದಿ ಟೆಕ್ನಾಲಜಿ. ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಮಾಡಿ, ಕಬ್ಬನ್ ಪಾರ್ಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆನಂದವಾಗಿ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ, ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಲ್ಲ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಗ್ನಲ್ ಸಿಗಲ್ಲ, ಐ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್. Just go there in the car park, sit cool under the tree, make a call. He will also get his client, your managing director. You can give the number so that all the four of you can have a word. So that if he makes a pragmatic proposal, that would be heard by your managing people, whoever is in the management, and some figure can be worked out. Filing the compromise petition is just a matter of 2 days, whereby we can put an end before this month. So that is what is required. 8 years have elapsed without there being anything on this. Let us see. Let us be more pragmatic. Make best use of the technology. All right. ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡಿ, ಇವತ್ತು ಮುಗಿಸಿ ನೀವು ಮಾತಾಡಿ. ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟೇಜಿಗೆ ಬರಲಿ, ಅವರೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾತಾಡ್ಕೋತಾರೆ. ನೋಡಿ, ತಾವು ಕೊಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಫಿಗರು ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಆಯ್ತು, ಇದೊಂದು ಮುಗಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರೋಣ ಅನ್ನೋ ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ಗೆ ಇರ್ಬೇಕು. ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕಲ್ ಸ್ನ್ಯಾಗು 8 ವರ್ಷ ಬರೀ ಅಡ್ಮಿಷನ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಪೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಇರೋದು, ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಇರಬಾರ್ದು. ಆಯ್ತು, ರೈಟ್ ರಾಂಗ್ಲಿನೋ ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಟರ್ಮಿನೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಾವು ಯು ವರ್ಕ್ಡ್ ಫಾರ್ ಆಲ್ ದೀಸ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಟು ಫಿಲ್ ಅಪ್ ಯುವರ್ ಬೆಲಿ ಎಲ್ಸ್ವೇರ್. ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ದಿ ರಾಂಗ್ ಟರ್ಮಿನೇಷನ್ or right termination or whatever that is there, that's a matter to be looked into. They are also willing to settle the matter. Is this particular person was also an employee, so have not implemented a company as a party. He cannot pay out of his pocket. He will only direct that this is what is there. And therefore, this is the suggestion from the court. Why don't we put a decent end to the matter? This could be discussed within 2 minutes time. If you have any difficulty, ask all of them to log on to the court website. There is a good bandwidth here. The court will also part of that, and it's a court negotiated settlement then. One of the types of settlement under 89. And first appeal is a continuation of the suit. Therefore, 89 I'll make better use of it. Right? If you have any difficulty, put both the people on line, including your managing director. Give this whatever the today's requirement, what you get in your SMS, just forward it. Let them log in. What will take care of that? Nothing wrong. So ivealla anukola madkottidare, right or wrong. COVID period nalli we have understood how to run the court, even in the absence of the even if the physically the parties could not come. Karnataka High Court is standing first in that pioneer in making the video conferencing facility. Let them appear. The court is now accepting the compromise through the VC, and advocates would identify them. People at abroad are logging in, and we are accepting. I make a endorsement here stating that so and so appeared through VC in the today's hearing, and they confirmed that they have authorized the advocate to sign the accept the compromise. And passed such an order. Time has come. No doubt, some rules may not permit, but court can always mold it. That will help in forming the proper rules. We have now formulated the video conferencing rules. Next amendment will be accepting the compromise through VC. The parties agree. That should be the spirit. Make best use of technology. Lot of money would be saved, no? Only for accepting the compromise if the people have to come abroad. 1.5 lakh ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಏರ್ ಫೇರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. What is the fun? Even for getting a power of attorney executed and sending it through the FedEx or some other courier agency, it will cost about 25,000 rupees. Over a click of a mouse, people can appear here. Make best use of the technology, sir. Time has come where we have to gear up ourselves. Honorable the Chief Justice has told, now make best use of the technology. In fact, so moto cognizance has been taken the courts where the video conferencing facility is not working out or stopped for whatever be the reasons. So when we have the technology, make best use of it. ನನ್ನ ಕಾಲ ಮುಗೀತು 4.5 ವರ್ಷ, ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ನು 20-30 ವರ್ಷ ಇರ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಹೆಂಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು ಹುಡುಗರು? ಚುರುಕಾಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು ಟೆಕ್ನಾಲಜಿನ ಉಪಯೋಗಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ? Let us make best use of the technology. Call them, have a video conference call attended. Any difficulty in ironing out increases, all the parties to appear before the court through VC. We'll sort it out today. Let this be a model settlement through VC. All right. What is this matter? This has been heard. ಇದು ಮೊನ್ನೆಯಿಂದ ಹೋದ ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ ಬಂದಿರೋದು, ಬರೇ ಪಾಸ್ ಓವರ್ ಅಂತ.